this cat. Look at what he just decided to do.
I think he's looking at himself in the mirror.
Is he? What have I become? What have I done to myself?
He's like, maybe I should lose some weight.
This is what we all are thinking during COVID. Damn, I got fat. Nemo, what are you doing? Is the dog over here too? Yep. He's laying down. Oh. What? Oh, get up and lick your nuts. Mother's stealing somebody's bed. Again. She likes that bed. Look at her. She's laying right in the middle of it.
Mm-hmm.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Matt Ventures. I got a long weekend, so I'm making a few videos. Enjoy. What are you doing, Mila? Ooh. Nemo. What, you want my attention? What are you doing, Mila? I don't want my attention as soon as the wife leaves. Oh, you grabbed the phone. Mila. Oh, that's so cute. You just want attention so bad. What? She'll get jealous. Let's see. you want the attention. What are you two doing? You want me to follow you? You bite my fingers. Hold the phone, silly. Well, you're so pretty. You're so cute. You little princess. You're always trying to make me late for work. You didn't get enough attention? Alright, Mila, I have to get dressed. I'm going to be late for work. You hear me? Don't show me your butt. You too. Oh boy, kitties. How the hell am I going to carry this right now? I'll do that. Yeah. Alright. Oh boy. Oh, there they go. Dun 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 dun. Here's one for you. Here's one for you, right here. Mila. Here's your you little sweet princess, you. You happy? Yeah. He's really okay. Who did that? I bet it was you. Jerks. Now I gotta sweep. Wonder if y'all notice it. What's up, bruh? Making some country fried chicken. Fried chicken. Even got the gravy, my dude. Ooh, it's gonna be good. Oh, listen to it. Ooh, baby, yeah. Look at that. It looks good. This one I had to make sure was cooked all the way through because it's super thick. But these are tiny, so they're cute. And I have a nugget, apparently. Making the potatoes. Gravy's ready. Yeah, buddy. Without a doubt. Went through the storage unit and found my old laptop. Look at this freaking beast. Look at that. Good lord. This is the one I had in Iraq. Good lord. This is Windows XP on it still. Trying to sleep in on the 96. I don't know if you can tell how bright it is right now. You're like, wow, it's really bright outside. It must be like, I don't know, 8 a.m. or something, right? Wrong. It's 6:45 in the morning. Well, it's about 7 a.m. Good morning on the 4th of July. I got my donuts that are patriotic looking. I got my bang. I got my kitty shirt. Let's do this. Here's an interesting or fun little tidbit for you for celebrating the 4th of July. Whilst I appreciate the patriotism, if we could wait to shoot off the illegal fireworks until the actual 4th of July and not at 11 midnight on the 3rd to into the 4th, that would be cool. You know, just because I'm trying to sleep. And it's not like little... No, nobody did that. They did the boom, boom, big old mortars. Can you America on America Day, please? In like at a reasonable hour. Thanks. there is one over there. Oh, there's some down there. There's gonna be another one over there. I said that when I came out here before. So there's some there, and then there's some there. There's some going off there. There's some down there in Vista.
But we don't get to really see.
If you look at just above the trees, just to the right of the moon, and then there's some right there. And then somebody's shooting stuff off over there. Oh, there's more over there. That's what happens when you tell people they can't shoot fireworks. Everybody shoots fireworks. Right here, there's a good. Oh, there's some over there. Everybody's gonna shoot fireworks now, I guess. Sounds like Iraq. See anything?
What?
I said, did you see anything?
Nope. Never do. Just good to hear it.
Right there in those trees back there. Oh, look, look, look. Turn around, look. They're coming up just barely above the trees.
Yeah, that's light.
Oh, somebody's doing it at the end of the street, sounds like.
Maybe not. Car. I saw a flash.
I heard one. This is your best bet. There's somebody shooting them off right there. Big. Apparently down that way too. Oh, right there.
Yeah, last time I tried that, I missed it. I just saw one little thing in there.
You can kind of see them through these trees. Somebody's popping some over there in that cul-de-sac. Ooh. I don't know, man, but these mosquitoes are trying to eat me alive. Go away. Oh, I haven't had to hear that for a while. Oh. There's the ones that were doing it last night. God dang. Why is everybody gotta do this at night when there's mosquitoes? I'm getting all freaking buzzed up. That's it. I'm going inside. Oh, it is right down the street. Boom. Oh, it's two big ones. Where do these people get these, like, these are not cheap fireworks. These big mortars. They rich people. I like how the police department sent out a thing saying it's gonna be $1,000 fine for any illegal fireworks. Just how many people are shooting off fireworks. Either the police have made a lot of money, or there's a lot of people that don't give a shit.
It's already been a really messed up year, so maybe they just don't give a shit.
This is worse than the last time we were here. Or maybe we're just in a different area. Because there's no public displays except in Vista, which is the one we heard earlier. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope everybody had a safe and fun 4th of July. Because ours was boring. Yeah, ours was boring. But it sounded like a daggone combat zone well into the night, like you saw. Not fun. Hard to sleep. That, mortars and stuff going off for 3 days instead of just the one night. So, yeah, cool. Thanks for that. Really appreciate that. It really makes it really easy to sleep. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. I'm going to put this together now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, get those notifications. Appreciate it. Tell your friends, tell your home, tell everybody. All right. Subscribe. Here's the last video. Here's some more over here. I'll see you guys next week. I'm going to put this video together. Then I'm going to go on a bike ride. Maybe do test 1 or episode 1 of the podcast today or tomorrow. Depends on my partner. All right. Peace out, everybody. See you later.